Welcome to Business Analysis Bytes, key business analysis principles in small, digestible chunks. What you'll learn here is some useful business analysis techniques that you can apply in practice. And as well as useful, I hope you'll find it interesting and enjoyable. Today's theme is mind maps. Diagrams that allow you to capture and organise your thoughts in a highly visual and creative way. Mind maps have a wide range of uses in business analysis. They can be used to help with creative thinking and problem solving, to document meetings, workshops and other events, and to help with various phases of business analysis such as stakeholder analysis, requirements analysis, and many more. So, mind maps are an absolutely brilliant technique. They're creative and interactive, relatively quick and easy to do, and quite fun to do. And there's nothing wrong with having a little bit of fun and being creative within business analysis. So, watch on to learn more. What is a mind map? It's a diagram used to capture and organise information in a highly visual way and show connections between various ideas and concepts. Why use mind maps? They're relatively quick and easy to do, and therefore accessible. Most people within a project can understand fairly quickly how to do them and what they're trying to get across. When to use mind maps? Well, this is a particularly useful technique because it can be used at any stage of a project. It's useful in requirements analysis and specification, but also further down the line in a project during the design and implementation phases. So you can use it at pretty much any time. The technique also has a wide range of uses outside of projects in day-to-day business usage. Who might use mind maps? Well, pretty much anybody involved in the project. Clearly a very useful technique for business analysts, but you can also involve other members of the project team and a wide range of business stakeholders in constructing them. So they really do encourage participation and involvement, which has got to be a good thing. How to construct a mind map? Well, simply you start with one central concept, representing what it is you're trying to analyse in this particular case. And then you can expand outwards, adding ideas and information almost with no limit. Then at some point you need to step back, review, discuss, and see if what you've got is accurate, complete and comprehensive. I'll talk you through an example. Imagine that you're working on a project to develop a website or app based on the game of cricket and aimed specifically at players, managers and coaches within the game to help them do their job better. So you could start with your central concept, the game of cricket, and break it down further. What's it all about? Well, as far as I know, the basic functions of the game are batting, bowling and fielding. But there is also increasing emphasis on mental and physical fitness within most sports, including cricket. So you can include those as areas to be analysed as well. You could then take each of those areas and expand them out further, as shown here. So, for example, bowling could be expanded out into pace bowling and spin bowling. When it comes to batting, different approaches to managing and coaching might be needed for your opening batsman as opposed to your middle order or tail ender batsman, and so on. Mind maps are very flexible. You could keep on adding to this as much as needed and developing your understanding. To sum up, mind maps are a brilliant technique within business analysis. You can do so much with them. If you want to learn more, look out for future videos or get in touch for more information. Thanks for listening.